When it comes to administrative staff of equivalent rank, what does that mean? If we talk about teaching and academic staff, reaching the level of lecturer, associate lecturer, assistant professor, and so on, then, they may cover some junior level. When administrative staff members get voting rights, they are usually more senior executives. So I think this wording is rather vague. Different institutions can interpret differently. We are talking about a very important matter, that is electoral rights. I think this is problematic. Can we have a clear list when we refer to full-time academic staff engaged in teaching or research? Which ranks do we mean in each institution? And what about administrative staff of equivalent rank? Can these all be listed out? If so, then we can compare the lists and see whether there are differences. We rely on the educational institutions to submit the relevant information to the EAC, and they will see which teaching staff can meet such description. After providing the information, then the EAC can work on elector registration work. Now, for these educational institutions, there are a lot of different ranks and positions, and I think the information will be provided according to the circumstances of each institution. In the elector registration process, according to the law, the universities will have to submit to us the teaching staff or equivalent staff, equivalent administrative staff. So far, we do not have the information on which positions will meet the criteria, because different universities have different establishment structure. And to a certain extent, the organizations, the institutions themselves will have to compile such a name list to confirm which employees can meet this description of full-time academic staff engaged in teaching or research and administrative staff of equivalent rank. In the past, we received this kind of inquiries, and we will consult the relevant institutions as to why a certain rank is not included and why a certain rank is included. If we're in doubt, we will consult the Bureau and the DOJ to see whether there is anything incompatible with the law. Because the establishment of these institutions is very complicated, there are many ranks and positions, we rely on information from the institutions to confirm.